Hey, I'm Kjell in Denmark. Today I made some components for this chuck backstop, and I made the taper. It should be a Morse taper number 5. To find out the angle, the diameter here, and then in with this. It's a little hard with only one hand. And then I found the degrees. And then here I set the compound to match this degree. And I think it's went very well. It pops in and it sounds good. I can take it out again. I think I'll have to test it with some blue paint, or what it's called, but it fits very well. To get it out again, I need to take this rod and then give it a little pop, and then it comes out again. Now I have to drill and thread this hexagon stock, thread it with 12mm threading, and then use this in the vise to make a hexagon figure on this end here. Yeah, that's it.